I did a short video and I took it down, so I'd like to put a new one up. I found this cold steel Archangel recently, and the knife was just there on the shelf in sitting on the box. This box, the box, I do believe, is mislabeled. I don't have the spear point. I do have the carbon 5 steel with a little bit of rust on it because it was on display model. I'm not sure the guys knew exactly, what they had. There's my box damage, and then of course the knife's. This is all like, it was just sitting there, perfect condition, just sitting on the box. Could not believe it. Can that focus? At any rate, and so here she is. Well, I guess an Archangel is supposed to be a he. I don't know, maybe a she. But we'll see. I gotta get the stuff out of the background. I was trying to focus on that. Alright. Oh, dang it. I can't get the pitting in there. This little scratch right there, that was on it when I purchased it. And otherwise, I've been flipping it. But I think there was one more flaw somewhere. This is my anti tang pen wear outer at the end of the handle. It's a earmuff. You have to put it back on every once in a while, but it's my spring latch. I don't know. People are they make all these videos there. That looks like it might be a scratch right there. But at any rate, I just kind of wanted to show it off. Cold steel. And then let's see. Just a good look at the side of it. Let's see. Guess I might as well open it up. You can see this awesome channel construction. I can't believe there's guys out there selling these things, or trying to, whatever, for $1,000. It's funny, I found this just on the shelf and it looks better than some of theirs. Right there, I might have screwed it up myself, but there's a little rust there, and I probably should have done it on a less inconspicuous spot, but I polished it just a little too much there. Otherwise, I got a little speck here. But yeah, see, that's not this. That's not the SS. I don't think. Maybe somebody could tell me what it is. Comment. Anyway, my cold steel Archangel.